clothes. No, I don't know. I didn't do anything. I'm just cooking here. I'm not saying something. What happened? So the sugar is melting. I don't know, I'm cooking. I didn't do anything. What is happening to my channel? Please guys, help me. I don't want to get banned. Nothing. I don't know who's doing it. I'm afraid kasi natakot po ako. Baka ano lang yun, baka yung... Pero ulit-ulit siya eh. Na-hide ko na siya. Ah. Okay, kapag i-hide siya, hindi lang pala yun. So, parang ginamit lang siya. I don't know kung ginamit ba yun o talagang yun. Kinakabahan ako. Or talagang may nagpa-frank lang sa akin. Hindi ko talaga alam. Is it prank or real? Huwag nyo naman akong i-prank. Kasi hindi ko po alam eh. Kasi nung una na-ban na po ako eh. Pero not ban already. Na-restrict na po ako eh. So, please. Yeah. I didn't do anything. I don't have any sounds. I don't have any. And I wear clothes. There are some YouTuber not wearing proper ano. Why? What's his problem? Why they're doing it? Sige, bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Thank you, thank you. I'm so sorry for kanina. Ang dami-daming pumupunta nun. Hi, hello po. I thank you for coming back. I hope wala na yung nag-ano sa akin, nagpa-prank. Kasi I'm so scared. I'm cooking. What's the problem with that? Charot. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's put it here. Oh my God, thank you for coming back. I don't know what's happening. And there are so many people watching my live. Then I don't know who is... It's so delicious. Yeah, thank you very much. Like, and subscribe. It's cooked. It's already... I don't want to be ano...